Hey everyone, Set It Are Your Cars. Today we've got this 2012 62 registered BMW 330i. It is the E92 coupe model. It's finished in sapphire black. It's an M Sport edition. Really good spec, 80,000 miles, 7 services. Just been serviced and MOT'd. It is ready to drive away. It's an LCI model, of course. Got the black front kidney grills. Got the Star 313s. They're all in very nice condition. They've been finished in ferric grey with a full set of Uniroyal tyres. It has got the high gloss shadow line trim. The condition is excellent. Of course, it's ULEZ compliant, being petrol. It drives very nicely. It's got front and rear parking sensors. Got the rear lip spoiler, the diffuser as well, twin tip exhaust, all really nice. Got your privacy glass as well, Harman Kardon, Pro Nav, Bluetooth audio, heated seats. And these edition models are very well specced. Bonnet is immaculate, not really any marks on that whatsoever. Yeah, lovely car. I'll show you inside. Start with the boot. You've got your mats, nice clean luggage area with the folding seats. No spare wheel, of course. Inside, 3-spoke steering wheel with the black leather with the contrasting blue stitch, as you can see there. In very good condition, really. Bit of wear on the driver's bolster, but not bad at all. Rear seats are immaculate with the ISOFIX as well. Folding mirrors, Harman Kardon, auto lights and wipers. Cruise control, climate control, heated seats. As I say, very nice spec. I will just start the car up so you can see there's no warnings and it's all nice and smooth. So as you can see there, starts without fault. I won't rev it too much because it is the first start of the day. But yeah, all very nice. And a mileage of 80,059 miles. In the centre, we have got your multimedia with your Bluetooth audio. I can confirm that all works. I've used this car myself quite a bit. CD, music collection, which is your hard disk drive. Not actually listen to anything on here, so I don't know what we're going to get. Oh, a bit of Marvin Gaye, look at that. There you go. There you go. Type of bit of an insight into the previous owner there, look. Normal radio, Bluetooth telephone, navigation, which is all working correctly. Bluetooth, etc. This is what I'm looking for, just to show you that there are no errors or issues with the vehicle. No faults, look. All hunky-dory there. We have serviced this and MOT'd it already. It is ready to go, as I say. Ice cold aircon. I won't switch that on because it'll blow a gale at me, but heated seats as well. And that really is it. Give us a shout, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.